I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale Ost on piano. We'll start by exploring some of the easiest songs to learn, perfect for beginners. You'll discover where to find accessible sheet music and how to approach your first practice sessions. My goal is to make learning these beloved tunes fun and straightforward, helping you build a solid foundation for playing more complex pieces later on. Let's get those fingers ready. Now let's dive into some essential techniques. Maintaining proper posture and a relaxed hand shape is crucial for preventing strain and improving your playing. Understanding basic music theory, like note names and simple rhythms, will significantly accelerate your progress. Don't forget to incorporate a metronome into your practice. It's an invaluable tool for developing precise timing and a steady tempo. These fundamentals will serve you well. Effective practice is key to mastering any song. When you encounter challenging parts, try breaking them down into smaller, more manageable phrases. Focus on playing these sections slowly and accurately first, gradually increasing your speed only when you feel comfortable. Recording yourself can also be incredibly helpful. It allows you to objectively hear your playing and pinpoint areas where you can improve. Stay patient and persistent. As you progress, consider exploring more complex arrangements of your favorite Undertale songs or even trying some improvisation. Engaging with online piano communities can provide valuable feedback and inspiration from fellow musicians. Remember, consistent practice, even for just 15 to 20 minutes daily, yields significant results over time. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Keep enjoying your musical journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.